Today I'm going to share with you a beautiful, amazing face mask to get rid of all kind of problem that you're having on your face, okay? This face mask is going to eliminate dark spots, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, blemishes, sunburn, and aging. Okay? So if you are searching for something to get rid of it and you have been or dealing with a very tough one for a long time now, you're tired of it, you're searching for something like this, keep on watching this video. Make sure you watch to the end. Hello, in case you're new to my channel. My name is Maya. In this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. You are highly welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like this video, like it free, okay? So all you have to do, my darling, is for you to like this video. If you have any question about skincare, the kind of product you should use to get rid of dark spot, pimples, wrinkles, aging, any creams that you're searching for or you're searching for a way to get rid of to get rid of your stuff on your face, sorry, you can go ahead and comment below. Don't be shy to drop your or skin issue, okay? Let's just help one another, okay? So, without wasting of your time, let's proceed. Alright, so we're going to be making use of potato. All you have to do is to go ahead and slice or cut half of potato and then make sure you wash it very properly because we're going to make use of this by grating it. Okay? So here is how it looks like after grating. So I'll just go ahead and set this aside and bring other stuffs like the other ingredients. So all you have to do on the clay bowl, all you have to do right now is to go ahead and grab 2 tablespoons of ground flour or 1 tablespoon of ground flour. It depends on the quantity that you want to make. So I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of ground flour, okay? So after that, I'll go ahead and add my grated potato in. After that, I'll just go ahead add other stuffs, okay? So all you have to do is to please to like this video, share with your lovers and your families, okay? So I'm going to be adding a pinch of turmeric powder into this ingredient, okay? A pinch of turmeric powder, alright? So all you have to do after that, then you grab your coffee and please 1 teaspoon of coffee powder into the ingredient and then go ahead and mix all together. After mixing, we're going to add one more ingredient. It's very optional, okay? You can go ahead, add it or not, okay? So here is my lemon. I'll just go ahead and squeeze out all the lemon juice, alright? So that it can work very properly. And remember, we're gonna make this for dark spot, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, aging, and sunburn as well. So this is gonna really work like seriously, it's all natural. So after adding your lemon, you go ahead and mix all together very properly. Pardon me because I was holding my phone with one hand and mixing it with one hand. Okay, so right now I'll just go ahead and apply it to a clear skin. Okay, so here it's how it's looking like. It. If you want to make yours lighter than this, you can go ahead and make it lighter. Okay, so let's apply to the skin. Yeah, so this is how you are gonna apply it to your skin. You just have to wash your face, take off all the makeup and every data that you have on your skin. Make sure you take everything out from your face and then go ahead and apply this all over your face. Okay? I don't know what you are gonna use to apply it to your skin. I will definitely use my hands, okay? Yeah, I used my hands and I just go ahead and scrub it, scrub my face gently in a circular motion, and after that, after applying it to your skin, you just have to give it some few minutes before taking it off with cold water. Okay, you can keep this on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before taking it off. Or make sure you let it dry completely before taking it off. But if you are in a hurry, you can go ahead and take it off within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so you're gonna love the result. It's going to help you get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spot, wrinkles, and all that. So I do not dry my skin so wet because I love my skin to be wet before applying my moisturizer, lotion, or cream. Okay, so that is all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please do share with your loved ones and your families. Can see you on my next video. And before I go, please like, okay? Like and share, alright? Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.